Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 25 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/3/2. Question 25 says 1000 small thermocol balls of radius 0.5 centimeter are kept in a spherical balloon of radius 20 centimeter. Find the volume of air in the balloon. Let the radius of one small thermocol ball be represented by the letter small r, which is given as 0.5 centimeter, and the radius of the spherical balloon be represented by capital R, which is given as 20 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the volume of the air in the balloon, which means we have to find the volume of the unfilled space inside the balloon. Volume of air is equal to volume of the spherical balloon minus volume of 1000 balls, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus 1000 times 4 by 3 pi small r cube. 4 by 3 pi is common in both the terms, leaving behind r cube minus 1000 times small r cube. Let's substitute 22 by 7 for pi, and capital R is given by 20 minus 1000 times small r is 0.5 centimeter, which is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 8000 minus 125, which gives us 4 by 3 times 22 upon 7 times 7875. On simplifying, we get 33,000 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the air present in the balloon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.